Hey, it's Andy with Mid-Mo Dents. Today we're going to be working on a Chevy Silverado. Customer called us and said that a cow actually hit the bedside of their truck when they were feeding hay. So we're going to get this big dent taken out. Let us know what you think. Alright, we got this thing pulled in and we got the tail light out. We wanted to see what kind of access we had back there before we got too deep into it. So this dent's through the body line. Thing was about 2 foot from the widest point in a high-strength steel bedside. We're going to start by going ahead and getting the bed cap off this. That's going to expose several different holes at the top that we'll be able to work from the tail light and from the top of the bed there, so we can get a couple angles on it. We'll start by getting this thing heated up before we do some glue pulling.
Oh yeah, here.
I'm going to kind of pan through with the light. You can kind of see what bulk pulling a lot of the damage with glue will do. Now we're going to have to go through and do a bunch with the tool to kind of get out some of those smaller low spots that the glue is going to have a little trouble with.
Well, this is
Pretty good for that.
and it got my face.
It's kind of a wet tool. This kid's got more power in his offhand forearm and bicep than any frame machine I've ever seen.
Oh,
jump in, and there's another look at what we got done on the top part. You still see there's a big low spot down at the bottom that we'll move down to later, but mainly just trying to make sure the most visible part that we'll know is going to come out really good. I think we've got it to that point. Now we can go to the bottom one for a while.
Oh, we're getting this thing looking pretty good already. It's golden already. Yeah, she's looking not bad at all.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to keep pumping out more videos with dent repair, ceramic coating, window tinting, detailing. We'll have some more dirty car stuff coming out soon. If there's anything that you want us to show, make sure you let us know in the comments and we'll get it on there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.